What is going on, guys? It is your boy Jake Daniels and welcome back to another haircut video. I've not made one of these videos in absolutely ages. In today's video, I'm at Jack the Clippers in Bank, London with stylist Apo and fellow YouTuber Paul McGregor. Paul has a really unique channel as his content revolves around fashion, hair and mental health. Mental health is a growing issue in today's society. Joining the mission Paul is on to spread the word. He's truly a great guy. So, after the cheekiest of cheeky hair washes, it's time for Apo to create a sharp fade with the clippers. Then Apo switches to the scissors over comb technique and he's going to take off some length off the top of the sides and back as he continues to work on that sharp fade. Next, we decide to burn Paul's ears off, but seeing as Paul is as hard as nails, it simply did not work. That's a joke, by the way, but seriously, the fire is used to burn the tiny hairs off of your ears. I've had this before and you just don't feel a thing. We only took a pinch of hair from the top as it's already at a nice length. After creating a little texture, we decided to thin the hair out as Paul's hair type is really thick. Then after a quick rinse, stylist Apo uses the blow dryer. Because Paul has really straight hair, his hair cooperates really well with what Apo wanted to do with it. Then to finish off, we used some product. So guys, let me know what you thought of the haircut and hairstyle in today's video. If you've got any video requests, shout them out down below and I'll see all of you guys in my next video. I am Jake Daniels.